Good morning, children. Yes, in the previous period, we have started this lesson, the plateau and the desert regions, and yesterday we completed also. Now, today we are going to see the exercise of this lesson. But before that, we saw the plateau and the desert region in that climate, their location and extent, their lifestyle, and all these things. Okay, so we'll continue with the exercise today. So this is the first question of the exercise, that is fill in the blanks. The first one is, the largest plateau in India is the dash, and the answer is Peninsular Plateau. Second one, the dash dam is built across river Krishna, and the answer is Nagarjuna Sagar. Third one, dash in dash is the highest waterfall in India. Answer is Zog Falls in Karnataka. Fourth one, dash hills are situated to the southeast of the Thar. Answer is Aravali Hills. Fifth one, dash and dash are two famous wildlife sanctuaries of the Great Indian Desert. And the answer is Ranthambore and Bharatpur. Now question 2 is, choose the correct answer. The river divides the southern plateau into Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau. So which river divides? Ganga, Kaveri, Narmada and Tapi. So the correct answer is Narmada. This plateau is not a part of Southern Plateau. And the options are Chota Nagpur Plateau, Malwa Plateau, Deccan Plateau, Tibetan Plateau. And the answer is Tibetan Plateau. Third one, the eastern and western Ghats meet at these hills. Options are Cardamom, Satmala, Rajmahal, Nilgiri. And the correct answer is Nilgiri. Fourth number, it is a seasonal river of the Great Indian Desert. Options are Satluj, Luni, Yamuna, Kosi. And the correct answer is Luni. Fifth one, the Indira Gandhi Canal gets its water supply from this river. Options are Indus, Satluj, Yamuna, Brahmaputra. And the correct answer is Satluj. Question C is, state true or false. The first one is, Nilgiri is the highest peak in the Western Ghats. It is false. Second, Rajmahal Hills are a part of the Deccan Plateau. Answer is false. Third one, dust storms in desert can move sand from one place to another. It's true. Fourth, an oasis is a large water body found in desert that is formed by rainwater. Answer is false. Fifth one, the Deccan Plateau and the Central Highlands have red soil. Answer is true. Yes, children. Now the question number D. First one, what is a plateau? Name 3 rivers which originate in the Peninsular Plateau region of India. And the answer is, a plateau is a highland which is higher than the land around it and has a flat table-like top. Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri are the main rivers originating in the Peninsular Plateau region of India. Second question is, why are the Central Highlands good for agriculture? Answer is, the soil in this plateau region means the Central Highland Plateau region is black and red in color. Farming is the main occupation of people living here, and apart from cotton and oilseeds grown in the black soil, farmers also cultivate other crops like rice, millets, groundnut and sugarcane. As a result, the Central Highlands good for agriculture. Third number, differentiate between Deccan rivers and Himalayan rivers. And the answer is the rivers in the Deccan Plateau are seasonal as they depend on rain for water. Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri are the main rivers originating in this region. The rivers in the Himalayan region are perennial rivers because they have water throughout the year. The melting snow of the Himalayas gives rise to some of the major rivers like the Ganga and the Yamuna. Fourth number is, why is camel called the ship of desert? Yes, yesterday while I was explaining the lesson, that time I told that why the camel is known as the ship of desert, and the answer is, camels are called the ship of the desert because they can move across desert sand easily, providing a mode of a transport for people in desert areas. Camel can live without food and water in the desert for many days, and because of this, the camel is known as the ship of the desert. Last one question is, how has the Indira Gandhi Canal benefited the people of the Great Indian Desert? Answer is, being a desert, the Thar suffers from water shortage. Villagers often walk long distances to fetch water. So, to tackle this problem of water scarcity, the government has built the Indira Gandhi Canal. It was earlier known as the Rajasthan Canal. River Satluj and its tributaries supply water to this canal. The canal provides drinking water and supports irrigation in the region. Now here is a map work, children. So on the physical map of India, mark and shade the following. So first one, 2 states that are covered by the Great Indian Desert. Then Malwa Plateau, the Aravalli Hills, and last rivers Chambal, Shon and Betwa. So children, nowadays it is not possible to bring the map and color it and actual shade it. So if possible, you can search it on the internet and then you can just point out, or you can show these areas or show these places to your parents. Otherwise, we'll continue in the class when the school will start. Here is activity given. So find out the names of the cities in the state of Rajasthan that have been given these titles. The first one is Pink City. You know, children, which city is known as the Pink City? Yes, it's Jaipur. Then Golden City of India, it's Jaisalmer. Then City of Lakes, it's Bhopal. And the Sun City, that is Jodhpur. So children, in this way, we have completed the 5th lesson, the plateau and the desert region. In the next period, we'll continue with the lesson number 16. Thank you.